Welcome to my channel. Today I'm design pizza lighthouse logo. Take rectangle shape. Press I, for go to the eyedropper tools, pick the color. Click the background shape for log, press Ctrl+2. Take a circle shape, and line shape for making the pizza. Off the fill color and increase the stroke size. Take a line shape. Then alignment the line shape. Select the line shape and go to the rotate tools. For rotate the line shape, rotate it 30 degrees. Now select all shapes and expand it, all. Then go to the shape builder tools, for delete the unnecessary shapes. Off fill color and increase the stroke size, then release compound path. Copy the pizza shape, and rotate it. Alignment it. Take circle shape. I am requested to you, for watch it carefully because I am increase the video speed clip. Here is the final logo. Thanks for stay with us. I'm available for freelancing projects. Connected with us.